This video will demonstrate cataract surgery using a toric or astigmatism correcting lens. After a small incision is made, lidocaine is injected into the eye, followed by a thick substance called viscoelastic to hold the shape of the eye. A 2.4 millimeter incision is made in the clear cornea. The incision is a tunnel that self-seals, requiring no suturing. The cataract lens is contained within a bag inside the eye. A 5 millimeter diameter opening is created within that bag. Balanced salt solution is then infused to separate the lens from the bag, allowing for rotation of the lens within the bag and easier removal of the cataract. Ultrasound is then used to form a groove within the center of the lens. The lens is then rotated within the bag, and the lens is cracked into two pieces. A second groove is then formed, cracking the lens into a third quadrant. These smaller quadrants make it easier to remove the lens. The portion of the lens being removed in this process is the nucleus, which is the hard core of the lens. Left behind is the cortex. The cortex is then vacuumed from the capsular bag. The viscoelastic is again used to fill the shape of the capsular bag, creating space for the intraocular lens. Because this is an astigmatism correcting lens, the axis of the astigmatism must be marked on the cornea. The lens will then be injected into the capsular bag and allowed to open. The thick substance is then vacuumed from the inside of the eye and replaced with a clear liquid. Using the reference marks on the cornea and the reference marks on the lens, the two are aligned so that the astigmatism can be eliminated.